The 2510 new home warranty covers for 2 years of labor and material. For the first 12 months, it covers everything for detached homes. For condo strata unit, the common area covers 15 months. And for everything else, including electrical, plumbing, heating, ventilation, air condition, etc., is covered for 24 months. So for building envelope, including roof and walls, it'll cover 5 years. And for structural, it's 10 years. So normally for appliances, it's all 12 months warranty. So when the start of warranty is either based on first occupancy was issued, or when the title was transferred under the first new homeowner's name. So for condo, strata units are either first of occupancy or transfer of legal title to the first owner. So you have to be very careful when the warranty was started. So you have to claim everything before the warranty expires. Otherwise, your warranty will not cover for things that broke down afterwards. So that is everything for home warranty. If you buy any new homes, the limited coverage for house is 200,000, and also for strata unit is under 100,000. So if the home price is less than the coverage, then the home price will be the coverage limit. For example, if your house is 150,000 and the coverage is 200,000, they will take the lesser one. For the condo, it's the same thing. It's $100,000 coverage, but if your purchase price is under this 100,000, they will take the lesser one. So that is everything for 2510 home warranty, and you can find out more information by Google 2510 home warranty BC, and there's more information on bchousing.com. Thank you.
大家好，我是温哥华地产经纪周华。喜欢我的视频，不要忘了分享和订阅，谢谢。